No, we have a problem. We want to get x by itself. How do we do that? Does anybody know? What we can do,
You put 40 on both sides.
put 40 on both sides. Very good. So we can multiply both sides by 40, so we can cancel out this 40 here. But I want to share something that may be even more helpful. You guys familiar with cross multiply?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's try to use cross multiply. So I'm showing you that there's more than one way to get to the answer. So 40, cross multiply 40 times this gives me 40 tangent 30 degrees equals 1 times x will give me just x. But 40 tangent 30 equals x is the same as saying x equals 40. And 40 tangent means 40 times, okay, guys? 40 times tangent, but we don't put the times symbol there, okay? Because it could just lead to confusion. If I put a times sign there and then you have an x there, you may think, oh, I got to solve for that. No, boy, I don't want to confuse you. So what happens when you go higher up in math, they just get rid of certain things that can lead to confusion. Okay, so now we have our situation that looks a lot better because our subject is at the left-hand side. Our x is on the left-hand side. So now we're solving for x. X is equal to 40 tangent 30. And this is the way some of your multiple choice, if you do take CXC paper 1, you may get multiple choice that looks like this when it comes to solving for x. Okay, guys, so now what I want you to do is use your calculator. Some of you will have to type in 30 first and then press tangent to get your answer. Some of you will have to press tangent and then 30 to get your answer. And I want you to go to 3 decimal places. So you're going to put on your paper or whatever you're using, you're going to put 40, open bracket, and then you're going to put the solution that you get from your calculator inside the brackets. Okay. What do you get for tangent of 30? And make sure your calculator is set to degrees. Remember, 3 decimal places. Anybody?
0.509.
Almost. It is a 0.5, but somebody else.
577.
Yes, 0.577. Okay, so make sure for those who, if you got something different than this, make sure your calculator is set to degrees. There's a little D. You don't want it to be on G or R. You'll get different answers. So please try again with it set to degrees. Now, I didn't put, this didn't become an 8 because the actual number looked like this. 0.577. 3. So because there was a 3 in the 4th decimal place, it didn't have an impact on the number in the 3rd decimal place. Okay, guys? And that's why we left it at 7. Now let's multiply 40 times 0.577. What do you get? Let me see if you guys are okay. You there? I'm gonna 23.08. Okay, I agree. I was just about to check on everybody. Okay, it's 0.08 meters. All right. Now we have this formula here that we need to input the value for x in. So let's do that now. H equals 23.08 plus 30. What do you get?
53.08.
All right, 53.08. Okay. Are we done? Is it good? Are we done? Can we call it a day? Did we satisfy what the problem was asking for? You know, if teacher asked that question, something must be wrong, right? I know that's what you're thinking. Teacher asked me that question. That's question does sound correct. There must be something more. Does anybody remember what's the last step? Why can't this be the end of it? And why can't you just get 100% on this problem right now? Why will you lose some points if you stop here? Teacher mean, you know, yeah, take off points. And I got the right answer. Chance.
Sir, you round it off to the nearest tenth.
Ah, yes. You must round it off to the nearest meter. And let's look at it. 53 meters. And then you have a line which represents a bunch of numbers, and you have 54 meters. And you know that halfway represents 53.5. And you know that once you have 53.5 or higher, and I said round to the nearest meter, this would be your answer. So if I had 53.50, you can round off to 54. If you have 53.50001, round off to 54 meters, okay? But if you have anything less than 53.5, then you have to round down to 53. Do you understand? And guess what? Our problem, our answer we got is here. Whoa, hold on. Give me a break, Rachel. We're here. 53 point. Oh boy. Hold on, guys. My computer say it wants to turn off. We're here and we're very close to 53 meters. This is the nearest meter. Okay. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. I need to connect my charger to this computer or else the meeting is going to be over unofficially. Let's see, hopefully it's, yes, excellent. I didn't have to run around. Okay, any questions? Are you understanding the material? How you feel? Ashley, how are you feeling about this material? Are you grasping it or is it kind of difficult? You can be honest. Vicky? Just say present if I call your name. Delia?
Present.
Okay. I wonder how I pronounce this one. Antoni?
Present.
Is that I pronounce your name correctly?
Antoine.
Anton. Okay, thank you. Vicky Perez, are you here?
Present, sir.
All right. Ashley Stewart, are you here?
Present.
Okay. Hugo?
Present.
All right. Ada? Ada, are you here?
Present.
All right. Kimberly?
Present, sir.
All right. Alan?
Present, sir.
Okay. Selene? Is that how you pronounce your name?
Yes, sir. Present.
All right. Charlie?
Present.
All right. Y- Yareni? Yareni, is that how you pronounce it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Present.
great.